paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make a color wheel today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will make a circle first and then divide the circle into 6 equal parts. Now, why don't we make these lines a little thicker? Let's make the line thicker so that we can see the difference properly. We can also make the circle a little thicker. You can do this with a pencil first and then do it with a sketch pen. We are going to learn something very interesting today. Let's start with primary colors. Can you tell me which are the primary colors? Yes, yellow is one of the primary colors. So, let's color the primary color in the first box. Let's make sure that we do not have any white spaces. Now, the next primary color is blue color. So, let's do this. Well, primary colors are colors which cannot be made by mixing two other colors. Now, the third primary color is red. So, let's color red in this compartment. Great! Now when you mix red and yellow, you get orange color, which is a secondary color. Have you tried mixing red and yellow on your own? Well, you should definitely do it and you are going to get orange color out of it. When we mix blue and red color, we get violet color, and so violet is also a secondary color. Yes, we get this color when we mix red and blue. And finally, which one do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Yes, we get green color. Now, let's do green color in the middle of blue and yellow. That's great. When you mix yellow and red, you get orange. When you mix yellow and blue, you get green. And when you mix red and blue, you get violet. Now if you notice, this side of the circle is warm color, which is red, orange and yellow. And this side is a cool color, which is green, blue and purple. And this side of the circle are cool colors, which are green, blue and violet. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video.